Hey, just a quick update. Hostinger's Black Friday 2025 deal is officially live, and honestly, this is the lowest price you're going to see all year. Right now, you can grab Hostinger for up to 85% off, and if you use the referral link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll get an additional 20% discount stacked on top. No coupon needed. It applies automatically. Hostinger is a solid choice if you're building a WordPress site, an online store, a blog, or website. You get fast speeds, free SSL, a free domain, daily backups, LiteSpeed servers, and AI tools that help you build pages, fix errors, and manage your site easily. And that extra 20% off from the referral program makes a difference. It drops the price way lower than what most people get from the regular Black Friday sale. So if you want to grab this Black Friday deal plus the additional 20% referral discount, tap the link below or scan the QR code on screen. It'll take you straight to Hostinger, and the discount will activate automatically. Don't miss it.